Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Less than 1,000 miles since a ground-up restoration on this 1968 Chevelle, and here's the receipts and the specs. There's even a disc in here with 224 pictures before and during the restoration. We just bought two cars. If you look on our website, there's a gold 70 Camaro, and then this one here. Bought them from the same gentleman. He restored them both about 10 years ago. Did beautiful jobs. Fit and finish is amazing. Go to volocars.com, and that's where you can read all the specs, study pictures top to bottom, and that's where you'll find the price, not only on this one, but we do have a few hundred collector cars all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new videos are posted. But right now, join me. Let's go for a spin in a 68 Chevelle. Yeah, underneath, pretty much everything was dropped off the bottom of the car. The whole suspension, bushing, shocks, springs, front and back were all redone. Has air shocks in the back. The brake system was all rebuilt. Has disc in front. The e-brake cables are hooked up. You look up at the motor, it's still spotless Chevy orange. Has a turbo 400 automatic. The 12-bolt rear end and back has 373 posi gears. Got a really nice sounding dual exhaust system. So underneath the car is great. All metal too. The floors are all solid metal. There's no rust. They were cleaned and painted black. Just like his Camaro, the fit and finish on the body is amazing, and this was done 10 years ago. It looks like it was done yesterday. No cracking, no shrinkage, no bubbles. That means it was done right. It's all metal. We have all the pictures to show them restoring the body. And the gaps, all the gaps line up real nicely. It's all smooth, painted black down below the trim here. All this is really nice and smooth. The paint color, I love it. It's called red molten, or molten red pearl. It's got nice metal flake, SS hood. Look at the gaps, they're all nice and square. And it looks like I could reach right in. It looks like I could shake my own hand. It's so deep. The clear coat's polished so nicely. And all the chrome, the grille, the bezels, the emblem, the bumper, the lenses, the grills up on the hood, the trim, all the stainless moldings, the bow tie mirrors, it's all been replaced. There's a 396 marker light emblem. This side's just as nice as the other side. The gaps are right. See how the hood fits nice and flush? This is in excellent shape. Looking down the sides, there's no dents, no bubbles. All looks fantastic. The SS wheels are restored. Has BF Goodrich tires. Does have a power antenna installed right there. All the trim in back is new. The bumper, trim, emblems, painted black for the Super Sport. He did add to the car. He added a power trunk, power windows, keyless entry. It's got an alarm. I don't know if I just mentioned power windows. The doors on both cars open and close so nicely too. So easy it opens. Door jambs are painted just as slick as the car. New weather strips, window seals, sill plates. The interior was all redone. It was gutted, lined with the sound deadener. So new carpet, it's got Chevy floor mats. It has a custom audio sound, so nothing was cut up. It has molded kick panel speakers. It has a system in the trunk, which I'll show you in a little bit. The windshield was replaced on this one. The motor is a 1969 396 motor. It's been completely rebuilt. We have the specs in the box there with the receipts. Got a comp cam. Edelbrock intake, dual feed Holley carb with electric choke. This one has a billet Mallory ignition system, some nice Chevrolet valve covers. And now if you notice yet, but it's a factory air conditioned car, power steering, power disc brakes. Power brake unit is cadmium plated. The power steering unit has the remote reservoir, which is correct for a 68. Interior light works on the back of the console. Dome light works. All new headliner, visors, mirror, dash pad, door panels, armrest, window crank. That's for the vent window. The other windows are all power. The metal's painted nice. It's got a cushion grip wheel on a tilt column. I haven't played around with the stereo system, but it's got a CD changer, an amplifier, another amplifier, 2 subwoofers, and 2 6x9 speakers. The jamb and under here is painted beautifully, all metal, and they did a nice job with the spatter. I think they sprayed it with a gun and clear coated it because it's better than most. The wiring looks new, the jack looks new. It's got a tire cover, a full-size spare, so trunk compartment's beautiful. Does have an oil and temperature gauge down below the dash. The center console's all new. It's got a plug-in for your iPhone for the stereo. Everything in here looks new. It has coated headers. The alternator looks new. The squirters are hooked up. The clutch fan, the shroud, the hoses. The battery's bolted down. It has the horns, hood insulation, painted beautifully. Wiper motor looks new. Wires are run neatly. It's just everything in here has been redone. And the receipts, there's just so many things like the headlight dimmer switch. I mean, the list just goes on and on. You can spend thousands on things that you don't even think about when you're going to restore a car. Nice cushion grip wheel. K&N air filter, 134 Freon. I like these sleek tail lights on the 68. The idle will come down as soon as it warms up. But less than 1,000 miles on the restoration. Gorgeous body and paint, air conditioned, power steering, brakes, posi, big block. It's rebuilt. It looks beautiful. You got a great car ready for show and go. There you have it. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact the salesman. I just gave you my honest impression of this car. If you have specific concerns or questions, feel free to ask. They will help you. They'll also make the financing, delivery, and paperwork real easy. Go to volocars.com to get some help with that. If you enjoy watching our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.